Introducing the Rubbermaid HYGEN Disposable Microfiber System, proven to remove 99.9% of microorganisms, including C-Diff, with water only. Microbe removal is a critical step in preventing infection. Many healthcare facilities clean with disposable products that kill microbes, but do not remove them from surfaces. These dead microbes act as a food source for live pathogens and can increase the risk for healthcare-associated infections. Rubbermaid HYGEN Disposable Microfiber is proven to remove 99.9% of microbes. Innovative microbe-removing technology is complemented with built-in zigzag scrubber technology to effectively remove dirt without smearing or streaking. Compatible with bleach and quat, the Rubbermaid HYGEN Disposable Microfiber System has a convenient charging bucket and works with existing Rubbermaid Commercial Tools. Easy to use and dispose of, Rubbermaid HYGEN Disposable Microfiber helps reduce cross-transmission and optimizes infection prevention.